Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the TK25 smartwatch. Our previous video, we paired it with the support app, the ExoFit application on the Android smartphone. And this time we are going to explore more on this wearable, particularly the section for watch faces. As you can see, it's already preloaded with several watch faces. We are going to check that, and at the same time we are going to explore the dial section of the ExoFit application. As you can see, we do have the dial section. We are going to try to download a watch face as well as a custom watch face for our TK25 smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo, drop a comment below, and of course like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright, so let's start and explore the TK25 smartwatch, particularly the watch face section. As you can see here, it's already preloaded with several watch faces. So let's explore. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, at least 6 watch faces. Again, let's start with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have at least 6 watch faces, a combination of analog and digital watch faces for our TK25 smartwatch. So what are the available settings for the display? Let's check. Settings, display. So we have automatically turn off the screen. Let's change it to 30 seconds. We have the screen lock for 5 minutes. Cover the breath screen. Dynamic island, we also have this option. We'll remove it. Pinch the answer for the gesture. Night brightness, you can also adjust it here, and that's it. Okay, plus the brightness adjustment here. So those are the settings for the display screen aside from the watch face. Here in the support app, we have the dial section. So let's explore the dial section. Tap on the dial section. We have at least 3 options here. My dial, these are the preloaded watch faces on the wearable. Or maybe this is a custom watch face. Okay, maybe I already forgot this option. The dial mall is where you download the additional watch face. The DIY dial is the custom watch face. Let's go first with the dial mall. I think this is the custom watch face also for the my dial section. We'll check later on. Dial mall. And we have here the offered watch faces for our TK25 smartwatch. Let's see if we do have a comprehensive list here. A good list of watch faces. Okay, seems like we do have a good number of watch faces here. A combination of digital and analog watch faces. We also have here themed watch faces. Okay, we do have, this one is nice. It's like a chess. And let's explore more. We do have a very good list, I think, of watch faces for our TK25. Much better than the previous smartwatch that we have here. This one is full of data. We'll try this one. But before that, let's explore more. So it is a bit slow to download or to load, but still, I think it's a pretty good list of watch faces here. We also have here the new product listing. Okay. I also like this one. We do have a very good list of watch faces here. Okay, so let's download one. Okay, let's go back to the one that I like. Can we still find it? Okay, we have it here. Tap on it. Data communication. Then redeem now. So congratulations, it has been exchanged successfully. Go and try it. Use immediately. So let's wait. 30%. And now, as you can see, our smartwatch here, the TK25, switch to download mode. And we'll see. And we have here our watch face. Very good so far. Nice. Go back. New product listing. Let's try another one. This is pretty neat, this one. Okay, let's look. Let's have this animated watch face. Is this free? Yes, it's free. Redeem now. Use immediately. And now our smartwatch again switch to download mode. And we're almost finished. And we have it here. Nice. Animated watch face. Very simple and bright. Okay, so we are done with the dial mall. As you can see, very easy to download. There's a comprehensive collection of watch faces for your TK25. Okay, so the My Dial is the section where, okay, a section for downloaded watch faces. We have at least 2 here. Then for the DIY dial, this is for the custom watch face. So let's try this one. Select a picture. Select. Let's have this one, the Iron Man, completed. Okay. Then check. Then drag the time here. We'll put it on the center, on the bottom part, center. Seems like the color is okay, I think. Okay. Then check. Pedometer and date. Okay, that's it. That's good. Then save and use. It's now pushing to our smartwatch. Let's wait for it to finish downloading. Hopefully it will be successful. And seems like it's going to go. It will be, I think it's going to be okay. There's no issues at all, I think. Pushing. And we have our custom watch face. The date here is a bit off, as you can see. You can adjust it later on. But so far, as you can see, the custom watch face or the DIY wallpaper for your smartwatch is available. Okay, my dial again. Okay, downloaded watch face. The dial mall for the available watch faces. And let's go to the bottom part. Seems like it's endless, as you can see here. Very good list. Seems like there are hundreds of watch faces available for your wearable. Okay. So seems like it's unlimited, as you can see here. There are hundreds, I think, of watch faces for your TK25. Okay, so that's it for the tutorial on how to download, set up a watch face, a custom watch face for your TK25 smartwatch. And so far, we are impressed with the collection of watch faces and the stable connectivity of the support app for the wearable. And very easy to download watch faces. The server is fast. And there's a lot of very cool looking watch faces that is for free for our TK25 smartwatch. So that's it. Again, if you like our video demo, like, share, and subscribe. Support our channel. Bye.